Hello, how are you? I am looking forward to this today because we are going to talk about dreams, we're going to talk about nightmares, and we're going to talk about what to do. There's going to be three things, I believe. Yes, three things that you can do to help shift if you are having like nightmares or you're not experiencing fun things while you go to sleep. So I'm looking forward to that. But first, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can get notified. I upload these videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and I always look forward to your comments and experiencing this with you. So today, let's see if I can read the, here it is. Okay, so this person says, I am having trouble sleeping because I am having nightmares, and everything that they try for meditation or all of that stuff doesn't help, and they're still having horrible nightmares, and they're finding it nervous, like they don't want to go to sleep. They're nervous to go to sleep. So they say, you say sleep actually, helps to release resistance and all of that, but I'm finding that I have more resistance when I go to sleep because of these nightmares. So first I want to remind you, Abraham Hicks, if you guys don't know who Abraham Hicks is an entity that flows through Esther Hicks. Abraham flows through Esther Hicks, which is why we get the Abraham Hicks. And Abraham Hicks speaks about sleep, and it speaks about when you go to sleep, it helps slow the momentum of, whatever you've got going on, slows the momentum down, reduces the resistance, right? And when you wake up, you are kind of at this neutral place, and you can either just get your thoughts going back into the direction of where you're going, or you can take that time to shift and start to move the momentum into the other direction. I'll take this a little further. Sleep, yes, it does slow the momentum, but sleeping also is a time when you connect back to your higher vibration, right? You're getting to experience all of these amazing things outside of this physical body, right? So you're connected to that higher vibration, that soul. In the last video, or was it the video before last, I talked about how your soul is connected to the past, the present, the future, is connected to source energy, is connected to God, it's connected to your thoughts, my thoughts, this person's thoughts. It's just all connected, right? We have that quantum entanglement thing, right? It's just all connected. And so when you think about dreams, you go to sleep and you think about majority of cases, you only remember a fraction of your dream. You only remember a tiny piece of your dream. So if you are out, when you lay back and you go to sleep, and if that means that you are connecting to your higher, your higher self, and you're living all of these fun experiences through your dreams, when you are coming back into your body to wake up, you are only remembering a small fraction of it, which means that you are connecting back, and your brain is translating what you're doing. And it's taking what is going on in your life, and it is flowing through that energy, that momentum. So if your momentum that you have going on is a fearful momentum, let's say your thoughts have been focused on negative things, or you've been burying your true feelings, your true emotions, you haven't been letting it come out. Listen to the video that I talked about with feelings. I'll put it into the comments and on the card above. But if you're burying your feelings and you're truly not allowing yourself to truly feel what you feel, you could not even be aware that you're not as happy as you think you are. You've been faking it, and you're faking it enough to fake yourself, right? So when you're coming back, the dream that you're remembering is this nightmare, is this feeling of restriction or stress or fear or anxiety, because it is connecting to the momentum that you already have going. So remember that that your dream, what you're remembering, is really just a small piece of your soul really connecting back to your body and your higher being, like connecting back and really flowing back into the momentum that you've already got going. What you could do if you would like to shift this, right? You're having these nightmares, you're having these feelings, you know that you're supposed to slow your momentum down right when you sleep, because your higher self, you're connected with your higher self, you're connected with your internal love, you're living these fun experiences, doing these things where you're not restricted by 3D reality and all of that stuff. You're just having so much fun. What you could do, intentions are super powerful. So I want you to do 3 things. The first thing is intend before you go to bed that you are going to remember more, right? Intend that you're going to remember more of what you truly dreamed before coming back into your physical body, into your mind, into waking up, right? So intend that you are going to really connect and allow yourself to remember more. And open your mind to the fact that you won't understand it. It's translating it through the brain, but just say, okay, I'm opening myself up to allow myself to remember more of what I'm dreaming outside of what I have been, the small piece that I've been seeing. Number 2, I don't know if you guys ever saw the Divergent movie. I love this movie. And the part of the movie when they were going into her sleep, her brain, and she was like, I'm only dreaming. This is only a dream. This isn't real. Remember before you go to sleep that whatever you're dreaming, it isn't real. And just say, I know this isn't real. And I know in my dream, if I were to say this isn't real, I could change it into whatever I want it to be. That is going to give you more power for when you go into sleep, where you won't feel like the dream is happening to you, where you feel like you're just in it and you get to, if something scary or emotional happens, you could be like, wait, I'm dreaming. I'm only dreaming. And that's when you kind of click into that lucid dreaming, because you'll be like, I'm only dreaming, because you know that you're dreaming. And you'll be able to shift and change the dream as you go. So you'll say, I'm only dreaming. Okay, this is hilarious. Yeah, this is funny. I want this to happen. You're not real monster, or you're not real fear, or you're not real evil man that's pushing yourself up on me. Whatever it is that you're dreaming that's scary, you can say you're not real. And you can allow yourself to shift the moment into something else you want, or take that moment and make it funny, shift the scene to a whole different scene, make yourself feel something different way. You can just choose to change it. But if you were able to just intend that while you are dreaming, you will remember that this is only a dream. This is only a dream. I can shift and change it as I want to. I am not confined to this 3D reality. This is the place where I can do whatever I want. So this isn't real. Move back. You will find that it'll dissipate and change into what you want it to change into, and it takes practice. So you'll do this night after night. And then number 3, I find this is so helpful. Prior to sleeping, I'm going to give you a link to this appreciation list, God to-do list. But prior to sleeping, first write a list of all the things that you appreciate, all of the amazing things that the universe, God, source, whatever you believe in, is just bringing into your life, that you're experiencing, all of these things to lift your vibration before you sleep. And then you'll have this other list on the other side that's like the God to-do list, the universe to-do list. And you can put on there that you will, while I'm asleep, God, help me to remember that this is only a dream. Help me to remember while I'm dreaming, this is only a dream, and like that I can shift and change it into whatever I want. You could also say, help me to remember more of the stuff that happens during my dreams. You can put that on the list as well, right? Those are your intentions. And then you can also say, you know, whatever you are manifesting and stepping into, you could say, send my video to more people, or, you know, have the right people watch whatever I'm doing, whatever your intentions are, put it on that list. And I would do these 3 things before I go to sleep, and I would do them consistently every night. And the more you do that, the more you remind yourself that this is only a dream, the more you remind yourself that you can wake up in your dream and be like, yeah, this is fun. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and have fun with it. The more you will find that you aren't affected by your dream, that you will know that all of this is happening for you, that you get to shift and change. And it will also show you that your reality is mendable, and that you have a lot more control over it. So I wish you luck. I know how it feels to have nightmares over and over again, and these steps have helped me no longer have the nightmares, and also shift my energy while I'm sleeping, but shift my energy when I wake up to realize that this is in a reality that I'm co-creating, and then that God is on my side, and that I get to choose how my life goes. So this will really help you. Hugs, kisses, and all of the feels. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I am sending you much love. Let me know how this helps you. Put some comments. Let me know what your dreams are. Have you been having some crazy dreams? Do you lucid dream? Do you realize you're dreaming while you're dreaming? Leave those comments below. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.